What is good, agents? It's time for some Star Wars. The new set, Shadow of the Galaxy, came out. What was this Friday? So 7/12, whatever day you're watching this video, it came out July 12th. We are able to get a booster box from our local. We were only able to get one. However, we also got a pre-release kit, which we'll be opening, and then we also have 12 booster packs. So this is half a box that we'll be cracking open here. What we're looking for is basically just legendaries. We need like Crate Dragon, Poe Damerons. Not really sure what all we're building aside from powering up Vader and maybe Bo-Katan. But let's just go ahead and jump straight into opening some packs. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with the pre-release box. So I've already opened like two of these. One of them was on stream a few days ago, and then the other one, I don't know if I've put the video up by the time. Future me might decide to put that video up before this one. But for my pre-release that we did, I recorded cracking open the stuff. Also recorded some matches from it, so we might those matches might be going up at some point soon. All right, so what you get out of your pre-release box, if you haven't opened one before, you get your nice little deck box here. And then there's a little divider in it, which is cool. Then you get your, I believe, 6 packs. Let me go ahead and double check here. 6 packs there. And then you have the foil version, which are here, of the starter deck leader. So it's got Moff Gideon and Din Djarin, or the Mandalorian, I think is what he's actually listed as. I don't think he has his actual name on here. Yeah, it's just the Mandalorian. So we got those, and then we have the foil full arts, which is cool. I don't know if I'll be playing with either of these leaders going forward. They are good though. At least they seem like they have a lot of potential. But we'll see if we build anything around them. Okay. Let's set this over here. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and start off with our first pack. Actually, before then, let me grab. I have a whole bag here full of just sleeves. Set that aside. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and crack open our first back here. All right, so we got Lando Calrissian, Cornet City. I'm trying to think the easiest. Okay, yeah, the easiest way to hold it for that. Yep, Hunting Nexu, Pirate Battle Tank, Super Commando Squad, good as Mandalorian Clan Challengers. Ruthless Raider. Ooh, a full art of the Clan Challengers. It's called the Hyperspace Raiders, I guess. Hyperspace cards. This is the way. Cool. Mandalorian armor, full art. Wow, I was literally just looking at this on TCG Player, at least last night. It was like 25 bucks for the full art of this. So that's cool. Then our rare Swoop Down, and then Liberated Slaves is our foil. I need to get better about like actually putting out the cards and organizing them, because my organization for this for Star Wars has been absolutely terrible. All right. Next pack. No legendary, which is totally fine. No, yeah, actually, let's see. I don't remember what slot you'll see your if you are gonna get a legendary. I think it's gonna be in one of your rare slots. All right, so we've gotten Rey as a leader. Remnant Science Facility, Pillage, Fall of the Way, Death Watch Loyalists, Philip Protectors. Covetous Rivals. Okay, that was cool. I do really love the full arts in this game. Okay. Oops. Oh, and there's our first legendary, Kylo's TIE Silencer. Nice. Builds a 3/2. Action if this unit is discarded from your hand or deck, play it from your discard pile, paying the cost. Okay, so you still have to pay the cost, but that's pretty cool. So with Kylo, I think you can discard cards from your hand to like the leader. To make it more powerful or something to that effect. I can't remember how it works, but I know there is a discard mechanic for Kylo. And then also like Poe, not that you'd put this in the Poe deck because you have to pay 4 for it in a deck with Poe. But if you were able to run it with Poe's skill, you could discard this card as well and activate it that way. And then we have a full art foil Wookiee Warrior. Oh, that looks sick. Okay, cool. There's our foil. Here's a legendary. We'll just set that aside over there. So we only got one full art from that pack. Fine. All right. Next one. Okay. Gar Saxon. It's not a castle full art. Heroic Renegade. Okay. Nothing to... Oh yeah, sorry. There's a full art here. Wanted Insurgents. Wanted Rose. Rose and Carbonite. Evidence of the crime. And then a foil Echo. Cool. I think in each pre-release kit, from what I've seen, there's at least a legendary in each kit. But I could be wrong in how that's supposed to shake out, but I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. All right, so we got a Ray, Remote Village, One of Glory. I love this card. It's it's one of your guys 4/4 for the base, which is just awesome. Now Skirmisher, needed more of those since I was trying to build a bow. Frontier Trader, King, Wanted, Criminal Muscle, Punishing 1, Coruscant Distance, Crosshair, Jango Fett, nice rare. That was one that I wanted. Bazine, that's all. Nice. Okay. Yeah, because Jango was one I'm like, how do I fit him into different builds? Like, I kind of want to put him in Vader. I kind of want to put everything in Vader because that's like my go-to deck, but we'll see how that's gonna shake out. Okay. Next up, we've got Gar Saxon, Chalice Palace, Collection Starship Trooper, okay, Deathmark, Rivals Fall. This seems like it's gonna be such a good card. Just defeat a unit. Granted, you pay 6 for it, but it's just a nice way to get things off the board. Echo, Unexpected Escape, exhaust unit. You may rescue a captured unit. Okay, sweet. Then we got Maul, nice, and Rich Reward. Still crazy to me that Maul was sitting at like 50-60 bucks for pre-release, and that people actually paid that price. It's nuts. It's nuts. I don't know how the supply is for this set. It seems like it's been relatively easy at like the shops themselves. Online, the whole other conversation. Because when the pre-orders for this went up, I remember people were going for it. It was gone really fast. Especially when you look at how set 1 was trending in terms of resale, secondhand market. It's pretty crazy. Mandalorian armor, okay, and then this is the way foil. Nice. So that is it for our pre-release kits. So we got some pretty good pulls out of it. I'm just gonna actually stack everything here together as we go. We'll have our foils and our hyperspace cards next to each other. We'll make use of our little box here. All right. 1 second, guys. Let's actually adjust something here. All right. So let's actually go into our booster box here, our half booster box. Should be 12 packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6. All right. Let's see if we can find it to showcase. All right. Just set that aside there. First pack of the box. Half box, I guess. Yes, Ray. Cornet City. Shrink. Yeah, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna want to build my Mandalorian build because there's so many different. I feel like there's so many different ways with the between Gar Saxon, Bo, and even I guess technically Sabine, Cobb Vanth. And out here wearing Boba's armor. Damn thief. Next up. Ooh, okay, we got Jabba. A buddy of mine at the shop is looking to build that. No, it's not a full art. We just got the full art remote location there. So for my Dragon Ball folks, it's gonna be a pretty busy stream in a couple days or in a week or so. We got 2 cases of the new set for Dragon Ball, so we'll be cracking that open on the channel. Those of you guys that are new here, we like Kira. We play all kinds of games. We play Dragon Ball, Digimon, this obviously Lorcana, but that's pretty much out the door here soon. Union Arena, a little bit of Pokemon, Fusion Worlds. So we play a little bit of everything, and then we open pretty much anything that we get from any of those games. We will crack open, generally on stream, or we'll do like a dedicated video like this. Got Fennec, Scanning Officer, and Altering the Deal, which is our rare, and then Daring Raid as our foil. I don't remember. I want to say there's like 2 to 3 legendaries in a box, but looks like our foil there is going to be a foil full art, whatever that is, which is always really cool. Outflank, Black Sun, what's it? Insurgents, Flank, that's a full art there. Smuggler's Aid, Chain Code Collector, Dengar, L3 through 7. Chewbacca is a rare, and Heroic Resolve, which is a rare. Ooh, that looks really good. That looks really good as a rare foil. Holy shit. Okay. So what is it? Attach. Okay, so it's an upgrade. Attach this unit gains. You spend to defeat a Heroic Resolve on this unit. Attack with this unit. It gains 4. Wow, and overwhelm. I keep wanting to say realm, like it's Dragon Ball. That's pretty cool. So really, you're gonna get. Wow, it's gonna be a 5 buff. On the body, and then you're able to swing immediately and take out, basically get some splash damage going, piercing damage going. That's gross. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot more upgrades in the set that, at least to me, feel more viable, or more, at least I'm more interested in testing them out. That's pretty nuts. So we got Ray, Hornet, Reckless Gunslinger. My boy Rick was telling me that when you pull a showcase, it'll be like the first card in the pack. I kind of love and hate that. Like, I kind of want to be like shocked, you know what I mean? But I understand that it takes a slot of your. Ooh, we got the Mandalorian. Nice. There's our legendary that we now have from our half box. Sweet. And then we got 4L0M. Okay. All right. Foil full art. Okay. Mando is a good pull. Is a good pull. Cool. All right. Lord Saxon. Trandoshan Hunters. I used to love them, man. The Trandoshan Hunters, like the Trandoshans in general, just look so cool to me growing up. Now I don't really particularly care for them as much, but they just look so dope. Rescuer, Fall, Clone Deserter, Client. He wants to see the baby. Toro Calican. Then Effet Mon, and then a foil Protector of the Throne. Yeah, I've seen like some of these packs where your hyperspace is like a foil version. Like I've seen like foil hyperspace legendaries, and then in the same pack a regular legendary. All the different variations on the rarity is pretty crazy. So if you're like a collector, there's a lot to kind of chase for. And if you're just into playing, the good thing is you can always just buy like the cheaper versions stuff. You don't need to go all wild and crazy and try and get, you know, all hyperspace foil versions of the deck. I mean, you could, clan challengers, if that was your thing, if you were really trying to go big. But I do really like that about this game. And then, Salacious Crumb, okay. A friend of mine, that's like their favorite character, which is hilarious to me. And then Price on your head. But yeah, no, you can actually like build some pretty affordable decks by just not going all wild and crazy and getting hyperspace foil everything. But if you're a max rarity person, you totally could. All right, we got Ray, Watch, Vigilant, Take Captive, the Hunters. Yeah, there's so many upgrades. Pet Lord. It's kind of hard to keep up with the amount of upgrade options that you'll have. Especially like the smuggler mechanic is really cool, being able to play out stuff from your resources. Oh, was there no full art in this pack? No, okay. All right, guys, we got 4 packs left, including the one that we're opening right now. Cad Bane, Remnant, Rivals Fall, Clone Deserter, what decks are you guys looking to build? Like I was saying earlier, I'm definitely going to be powering up Vader. Don't know what that looks like yet. Full art Kira. Baz and Tals are rare. And then Relentless Pursuit is our full out foil. Cool. And I think we're gonna do Bo. And then I kind of want to build 2 more decks. I just don't know for who yet. Thinking about doing where is he? Gar Saxon. But I don't know. No. Not too sure. Kylo looked kind of interesting as well. Spin. Attack, flank, stun. I also think that there's our hyperspace. I feel like the foil, or not the foil, the artwork for this set. Ooh, Bo-Katan Kryze, full art. I feel like the artwork for this set is just so much better. Wrecker and Cargo Juggernaut. Like I feel like they're really kind of coming to a groove with their style, which I like a lot. All right, there's Kylo. Speaking of, all right, actually, let me look at this. Yeah, so you rest him, discard a card. You can give a unit to +2 for the phase. So yeah, you could rest him for the tie and do the tie silencer and play it out, which is cool. So I thought I thought he had some kind of discard mechanic, but I think he also on his play side, yeah, he loses 1 attack for each card in your hand, which is kind of trash. But at the same time, he's a 4 cost, so you can get him out kind of early. So I guess that's how they try to balance it, I guess. Giant. Kill target. General Recon. Okay. And then the Trandoshan Hunters. Alright. Final pack of our half box. Before we get into big box. Okay, we got Gar Saxon. Each friendly upgraded unit +1. Yeah, that's tempting to try that out as for a build. Yeah, it's tempting. It just means that you're basically gonna have something super upgrade heavy. Covetous Rivals, Public Enemy, Refusal Hunter. Really hoping to see a Crate Dragon today, because that would be just a good addition to have. Mandalorian Royal Void. Okay, all right, guys, cool. All right, so let's do our first full booster box and see what we get. There's no box toppers in this game, at least currently, so there's that, which is fine. Get 24 packs. Each pack has 16 cards, so still a lot of cardboard. All right, first pack. That's the last 2. Boba, that's the other deck I was going to build, but I realized I don't think I've pulled any Bobas from any packs I've opened, which seems insane. Bunch of Giants. Moisture Farmer. I love how they have Restore too. Do they have to actually deal damage? Okay, when this unit attacks. Okay, so you can do your no damage into the base and recover too. That's cute, I guess. Crosshair, Bo-Katan, Mando Armor, and then a foil legendary DJ. Nice. So first legendary from the box. It is foil, so we'll see how that affects all rates if it does. I'm just gonna set this here. It's off to the side, but I'm gonna set it somewhere where I can. I'm curious to see how many legendaries we'll actually pull from this box. We got a full art Bossk, our first hyperspace leader that I've noticed anyway. Village, Cohort, Death Loyalist. Yeah, I was gonna make sure I keep everything in camera. Miggs Mayfield. Why does his face look like that? But okay. Then Ketsu Onyo. Okay. I'm really hoping though for the next set that they actually do some stuff with there's Boba. They actually do some stuff with the prequels, and maybe some stuff from like the Marvel Comics run of some characters. That would be really cool to see. Heck, I would even take some content around. Dang, lost it. Okay, so there's Boba. Would love some content around like the Old Republic too. I have very little faith that would come to pass, but it'd be dope if they did that. Okay, yeah, no. For a second, I thought my mic wasn't okay. Bravado, leaking TIE Phantom, Maul. We love Maul. We want as many Mauls as possible. Him being just a rare is nuts in the sense of how much people were trying to sell him for. I was saying it earlier, but the fact that he's still like $10, double Boba. Okay, the fact that he's still like $10 kind of blows my mind. To be honest. My first aid, vessel. As we're kind of blasting through this tech and then cloud. Right, I will say, unlike when I like other games where I feel like I could just kind of like, okay, I know exactly where all the hits are. This, it's like I'm still kind of figuring out where they are. So we kind of have to go through everything, which is fine, I guess. No, we got Han Solo. Got demolished by Han Solo in the pre-release event. That's what won our event at store. Seems like it's actually a really good deck, or at least the way that it was built at the time. They were able to just flood the board and just swing for days. Lando, or not Lando, that is Cassian. Ooh, okay. We got a foil full art of Black Chrysanthemum. Nice. We love that. Navarro, Moon of Glory. Alright, guys. Better organize my stuff here. Okay. Foundling, Night Owl Skirmisher. Yeah, by the end of this, I'll definitely be able to build my Bo-Katan as wanted. So that's cool. Millennium Falcon. Unrefusable Offer. And then Black Sun Starfighter. Nice. So far, only one legendary, and it's the foil DJ thus far. Boss. Let's see what we hit next. Uncommon. We got a Django. Nice, looks cool. We love Django. And then Commission. We'll figure out what to build that we can stick Django in. Since he's Imperial, unfortunately, or villainy, we couldn't use him. I mean, I guess we could use him, but I'd rather not in our Boba deck. Unless we build a yellow Boba, the original. Nexu. Challengers. Great Slaves. Dr. Pershing, Warzone Lieutenant. What's up? We've got Hondo, Jabba's Palace, Warzone Lieutenant, Night Owl, Rickety Quad Jumper, Dengar. That is. Remnant Reserves, Swoop Down, and then in the Intimidator. Woo. Over here dropping cards. Alright. We're getting close to halfway through the box. Boss, Spice Mines, Disarming Veteran. Ward, look the other way. Chrysanthemum, Jetpack, Salacious Crumb, Assault Cruiser, and then Twin Pod Cloud Car. We got Hunter. I thought it was Boba again. I was like, God dang. I was talking about how I haven't seen any Bobas, and now it's like Bobas everywhere. Like Challengers, Assassin, Glory. No Bargain. Slaves, Reward, this way. Enticing Reward. Mystic Reflection. It's kind of cool. So you give an enemy -2 if you control force -2 and -2/2. Okay. Pillage. Choose a player that discard a card from their hand. Okay. Alright. We like discard. Yeah, and then it should be. I feel like I should be seeing some more legendaries soon. Could be wrong. Pull out Hondo. Surtur. Price. Quad Jumper. Fugitive Wookiee. The Armorer. When played, give shield token up to 3. That's kind of gross. Yeah, I think for Bo, we're gonna building red-blue. I think. Let's go. Okay. That seems to make the most sense. Given just what we pulled and what all the colors offer. Alright guys, we're gonna kind of speed through this a little more. Pillage is a full art. Wookiee Warrior. Embo. The Darksaber! Full art. Let's go. Alright. Was just talking about how we were looking. Oh, wait, it's a double legendary pack. We got Rey and we got the Darksaber. Nice. That's sick. All right. I was gonna need this for Bo anyway. Dope. So Rey's interesting since she ignores. If you have Kylo, you can like play the two in each other's decks. Which is dope. You may heal 2 damage from a unit. If it's a non-villain or heroic unit, give it a shield token to it. So you heal it, and then if it's like Kylo, you can give it a shield. Oh, that's gross. Okay, I guess it doesn't have to be Kylo, but that's cool. Okay. All right, we'll take that. So double legendary pack. Let's go. Open up the next one. We got a full art. Oh, Dr. Aphra. Oh, nice. I didn't even realize that she was in the set. So she is from the comics. So I guess it's possible for us to get comic book stuff. That is sick. Okay. And then we have Jabba's Palace. Interesting. So I wonder if we'll get any like comic book style Vader stuff. Mando Warrior. Fennec Shand, Legal Authority, Modern Cohort. Wow, that was a crazy cool pack. That we were able to pull 2 legendaries out of 1 pack, and one's a freaking full art legendary. And you know we love that. Alright, Rey, Rivals Fall. Ship, Zuckuss. Oscar Reeves and the Armor foil. If I go red blue, how many Mandalorians am I gonna need to make that deck viable? That's gonna be a whole process to figure out, I guess. Grotto, Enticing Reward, Spark of Hope. Choose a unit, just go pile. If it was defeated this way, put it in play as a resource. Ooh, okay, cool. So it's a way to ramp with like your hero decks, aside from having to use the resupply. And I guess you could get a smuggler resource in there to play later. That's actually really cool. You have like a smuggled thing that got popped. Warrior, Fugitive Wookiee. Teeth. Xanadu Blood. Okay. Excellent. All right. Coming to the end of the box here. Dark Saxon. Foundling. Flying Gentle Giant. Full Art. Miles Rider. Firetown Backup. Dengar. Imprisoned. And then Desperate Attack. Desperate Attack is also really good. Giving your damage unit +2. So it's nice to go into the base. And you get to attack immediately. Obviously, the unit has to be standing, but still ready or whatever, active, whatever the game calls it. You play too many games where you turn this card sideways. Gamorrean Retainer. Mission. Another full art. Okay. And then Ruthlessness. God, so much attachment. Attach unit gains when this unit attacks and defeats a unit, deal 2 damage to the. Ooh, we love that. Yeah. And there's so much stuff where I'm like, man, I would love to actually just stack a bunch of upgrades onto like Vader as a leader and just go crazy. All right, guys, we got 2, I think, packs left. Palpatine's Return, let's go. I needed that. As much as I hate his crusty self, but we needed that. And I've opened so many packs, and that's literally my first Palpatine's Returns. I feel like the rares in this game truly, truly are rare. Headhunting. That looks cool. Okay. Rule with Respect. So there's another legendary. Oh, double legendaries again. This time we have a foil full art Snoke. Nice. Snoke is disgustingly good. I hate him with a passion. I've been abused by Snoke way too much. My boy, you guys probably started on a pre-release. He played him. The fact that he negs 2/2 is just gross. It's gross. But we will take that pull. So 2 double legendary packs in this box. Crazy. Like, man, now I might have to go get another box from somewhere. IG-11, Duckus. Give in to your anger, then Principled Outlaw. All right, on to the next pack. Fennec. God, I'm not gonna enjoy going through and actually like fixing, organizing these cards, but it's got. Ooh, Jabba's Rancor. Cool. He's just uncommon though. He just looks cool. Maz Kanata. And then Night Owl Skirmisher. All right, guys, the last pack of the box. Let's see what we get. Come on, showcase. No, but it's a full art. Okay, full art Han. We'll take that. Follow away. Loyalists. There's a full art there. Cargo Juggernaut. Chain Code Collector. Oops. Oh no, Zori Bliss, and okay, a full art of the Cargo Collector. Nice. All right, guys. So this was our first box. I think we came out pretty good. We have our Darksaber, Supreme Leader Snoke, Rule with Respect. I don't remember if DJ came from this one. We're just gonna set DJ over here because I honestly can't remember. This is a pretty nice haul from this box for sure. Anyway, guys. We'll be running more Star Wars. We'll do some more via stream. But I really appreciate you guys checking out the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!